Hey there, crafty friends. Welcome back to Maker. So today, I'm going to show you how to delete uploaded images in Cricut Design Space. If your workspace is feeling a little cluttered with old files you don't need anymore, don't worry. This video is for you. Alright, let's jump right in. Alright, so first you need to do is go to your homepage of the Cricut Design Space. Once you're there, just look over to the left panel and click on My Stuff icon. Okay, now you're going to see a new page pop up. On the left side of your screen, you'll see two options. Just go ahead and click on Images. Alright, here's how we get the good stuff. You'll notice there's an Uploaded tab at the top. Go ahead and click on that. So once you hit the Uploaded tab, you're going to see a bunch of images that you've uploaded before. Now, to delete any of these, you just need to click on the specific image. Just click whichever you want to delete. Okay, so once your image is opened up, look for those three dots. You know the menu icon? Click on those dots. From that menu, just select Delete. Now, here's what's going to happen. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you're really sure you want to delete it. If you're sure to delete, just click on the delete button to confirm. And there you go. You'll see that your uploaded images have been deleted. Just like that, it's gone. You can repeat these same steps to delete any other image you don't want anymore. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.